Life can change in an instant. One moment everything seems to be going perfectly, and the next it feels like the ground has been pulled out from under you. Time slows down and you find yourself in a state of shock, trying to comprehend what just happened. One day you're standing tall on top of the world. You feel invincible, like nothing can bring you down. Your confidence is at its peak and you believe that you have everything under control. The future looks bright and you're ready to conquer any challenge that comes your way. The next, you're falling, crashing down with gut-wrenching speed. The descent is terrifying and you feel powerless to stop it. Everything you worked so hard for seems to be slipping away, and you can't help but wonder how things went so wrong so quickly. Maybe it's a job loss that blindsides you, leaving you financially and emotionally drained. The security you once felt is replaced by uncertainty and fear. You question your worth and wonder how you will make ends meet. The stress is overwhelming and it feels like there's no way out. Or perhaps it's the sudden end of a relationship, the love you shared now a painful memory. The person who was once your rock is now a source of heartache. The dreams you built together are shattered, and you're left to pick up the pieces alone. The loneliness is suffocating, and the pain seems unbearable. A health crisis can strike anyone, anytime, turning your world upside down. One moment you're healthy and full of life, and the next you're facing a diagnosis that changes everything. The future becomes uncertain, and you're forced to confront your own mortality. The fear and anxiety are paralyzing and you struggle to find hope. No matter the cause, the experience of a major setback is universally disorienting, leaving you reeling, lost in a fog of shock and despair. It's as if you're wandering through a dense forest with no clear path in sight. The world around you feels unfamiliar, and you can't seem to find your way back to the life you once knew. It can feel like your world has ended, but the pain will never cease. You're not alone. Many have walked this path before you, and many will walk it after you. The darkness may seem all-encompassing, but there is a glimmer of light, a faint hope that things can get better. It's important to remember that you are not alone in your suffering. Everyone faces adversity at some point in their lives. It's a universal experience that connects us all. The challenges we face may be different, but the feelings of fear, pain, and uncertainty are the same. It's through these shared experiences that we find strength and resilience. We learn that we are capable of more than we ever imagined. It's not about avoiding the fall, but about how you pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and find the strength to rebuild. The journey to recovery is not easy, but it's possible. With each step forward, you grow stronger and more resilient. You learn to embrace the challenges and use them as opportunities for growth. The sunrise represents a new beginning, a chance to start over and create a life that is even more beautiful than before. The first step is often the hardest. The weight of your new reality can feel insurmountable. You may want to retreat from the world, to hide from the pain. Give yourself permission to grieve, to process the emotions that wash over you. It's okay to not be okay. Reach out to your support network. Talk to friends, family, or a therapist. Sharing your burden can make it feel lighter. Remember, vulnerability is not weakness. It's the birthplace of courage, connection, and healing. The initial shock will fade, but it often leaves a void in its wake. This void can feel like an endless chasm, a space where the echoes of what once was linger, haunting your every thought. It's a silence that speaks volumes, a quiet that can be deafening. The life you knew, the plans you made, may lie in pieces around you. Each shard of broken glass, each faded photograph, is a reminder of dreams unfulfilled and paths not taken. It's a mosaic of memories, both beautiful and painful, that now seem distant and unreachable. This emptiness can be overwhelming, filled with uncertainty and fear. It's a crossroads where every direction seems shrouded in fog, where every step forward feels like a leap into the unknown. The weight of indecision can be paralyzing, making it hard to see a way out. This is a time for introspection, for honest self-reflection. In the stillness, you can hear the whispers of your true self, the voice that often gets drowned out by the noise of everyday life. Journaling can help you untangle your thoughts, while meditation can bring clarity and peace. Take this opportunity to reevaluate your priorities, your values, your aspirations. What goals are truly yours, and which ones were imposed by others? What dreams have you set aside, and which ones still ignite a spark within you? This is your chance to redefine your path. What truly matters to you? What brings you joy? Is it the simple pleasures, like a hobby that makes you lose track of time, or the warmth of a loved one's embrace? These moments of happiness are the threads that can weave a new tapestry of your life. Use this time to reconnect with yourself, to rediscover who you are outside of the setback you've experienced. Engage in activities that nourish your soul, that remind you of your strength and resilience. Look in the mirror and see not just the person who has endured pain, but the one who has the power to heal and grow. This void is not the end, but a new beginning, a blank canvas on which you can paint a future filled with hope and possibility. Fear is a natural response to uncertainty. It can whisper doubts, magnify insecurities, and paralyze you with indecision. Acknowledge your fears, but don't let them control you. Fear thrives in silence and isolation. Talk about your anxieties with someone you trust. Seek professional guidance if needed. The simple act of voicing your fears can diminish their power. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear, but action in the face of it. Section 5. The power of vulnerability. Rebuilding your life requires vulnerability. It means asking for help when you need it, admitting your struggles, and letting go of the need to appear perfect. It's about embracing imperfection and understanding that setbacks are not failures. They are opportunities for growth, resilience, and transformation. Embrace vulnerability as a strength, not a weakness. It allows you to connect with others on a deeper level, to build genuine relationships, and to find solace in shared experiences. Section 6. Rebuilding brick by brick. Rebuilding your life after a setback is not about finding a quick fix or a magic solution. It's a gradual process, a journey of small steps and consistent effort. Start by setting small, achievable goals for yourself. Each accomplishment, no matter how small, will boost your confidence and fuel your momentum. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how insignificant it may seem. Recognize your resilience, your strength, your unwavering spirit. Section 7. Finding your new normal. Life after a setback may not look like the life you envisioned, and that's okay. Embrace the opportunity to create a new normal, a life that aligns with your evolving priorities and aspirations. This is a chance to pursue passions you put on hold, to explore new interests, to redefine what success means to you. Don't be afraid to dream again, to set new goals, to imagine a future filled with possibility. Section 8. The gift of resilience. Emerging from a major setback is a testament to your resilience, your inherent ability to adapt, overcome, and grow. You are stronger than you realize. You have faced adversity head-on and emerged, perhaps scarred but not broken. This experience has shaped you, refined you, and revealed your true strength. Carry this knowledge with you as you move forward. Section 9. Embracing the journey. Rebuilding your life after a setback is a journey, not a destination. It's a path filled with twists and turns, highs and lows, and unexpected detours. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards healing and growth. There will be good days and bad days, moments when the sun shines brightly and others when the clouds seem never-ending. It's important to remember that both are part of the journey. You'll experience moments of doubt and moments of triumph. The doubts may feel overwhelming, but they are just as crucial as the victories. They teach us resilience and the strength to keep moving forward. Embrace the journey with all its imperfections. It's these imperfections that make the journey uniquely yours. They add depth and meaning to your story. It's in the struggle that we discover our true selves, our resilience, our capacity for love, and our unwavering spirit. Each challenge faced and overcome reveals a new layer of our character. Remember, you are not alone. There are others walking similar paths, facing their own struggles and triumphs. Together we can find strength in our shared experiences. Reach out, connect, share your story. In sharing we find solace and understanding. We build connections that remind us of our shared humanity. Your vulnerability may inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple effect of courage and hope. When we open up, we give others permission to do the same. Together, we can create a community of support, a network of hope, and a foundation of courage. Embrace the journey, for it is in the journey that we truly find ourselves. Section 10. Rise above. You have fallen, you have stumbled, but you are not defined by your setbacks. You are defined by how you rise above them. Embrace the lessons learned, the strength gained, and the wisdom earned. Step into the next chapter of your life with courage, compassion, and an unwavering belief in your own resilience. You've got this.